Good evening. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is acid, bases and salt. Acidic substances. Substances that contain acid, which is basically taken from the Latin word is, which means sour, are called acidic substances. Those substances which contain acid in them is known as acidic substance. Acid are of two types on the basis from where they formed. From where the acid is obtaining. Depending upon that, acid are of two types: mineral acid, organic acid. Mineral acid, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and nitric acid, that is HNO3. You have to learn these symbols. Are examples of mineral acids that are used in laboratory for making different chemicals. These acids are produced from the chemical substance, or we can say that minerals, which are already present in the nature. It means that mineral acid are the natural acid which is obtained by the minerals. Already the mineral word is showing you that it is obtaining from the minerals. And example of mineral acid is HCl, H2SO4, HNO3. All the mineral acid which are basically obtained like HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 obtained from mineral are very corrosive in nature. Corrosive means very harmful in nature. Out of these three, the king of chemical is H2SO4. So remind that point that king of chemicals is sulfuric acid. Next come to the organic acid. Organic acid occur naturally in the animal and plant material. It basically produced in the animal and the plant. Examples of some organic acids are tartaric acid found in grapes, acetic acid found in vinegar, formic acid found in the sting of ant and bee, malic acid found in apples, citric acid found in lemon and oranges, lactic acid found in milk, oxalic acid found in spinach. The formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH. Organic acid are not so harmful or corrosive in nature, and they are very necessary in your diet as well. They make many vitamins and minerals in your body. Now come to the strong and weak acids. Depending upon acid is corrosive in nature, more corrosive in nature or less corrosive in nature. It depends upon the two types of acid, strong acid and weak acid. Acid can be strong or weak. A strong acid is highly corrosive in nature and cause several burns. All strong acids are mineral acid. Basically, all the strong acids which found in the environment or in the laboratory are basically mineral acids. These acids are highly reactive in nature and they are highly reactive toward the metal. Why? Because they react with the metal container. That's why we don't store strong acids or mineral acids in metal container. To store them, we required glass or ceramic containers because they do not react with the glass and the ceramic containers. The mineral acid also act against the cloth and wood. Mineral acid are so corrosive they can burn your cloth and wood as well. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid are example of strong acids. Weak acids, on other hand, they are not destructive as strong acids. They are not so corrosive. They are not so harmful. Weak acid, mostly organic acid. Mostly organic acids are weak acid. Most of the organic acids are a part of our diet. For example, acetic acid, which is used in vinegar. Vinegar is formed with the solution of 5 to 8% of acetic acid and it is very good for your stomach. The fizzy drinks, soda water, contain carbonic acid. This carbonic acid is the only mineral acid which is weak. Otherwise, all the mineral acids are strong in nature and this carbonic acid gives a very pleasant and tasty flavor to the cold drinks. Now, depending upon what amount of acid and water that particular acid is containing, there are two type of acid, dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acids are those acids which contain large amount of water and less amount of acid. For example, if I am having a beaker and I am pouring 80% of water and 20% of acid, that will be dilute acid. On the other hand, concentrated acids are those acids which basically contain large amount of acid and less water. For example, if I am forming an acid in that it contains 80% of acid and 20% of water, that acids are known as concentrated acid. The ratio of the acid and water can be changed. I am just giving you the example of 80 or 20%. Ratio can be 70-30, 60-40, 50-50, any ratio can be any. So in simple words, if the water is more or acid is less, then it is a dilute acid. If the acid is more and the water is less, it is a concentrated acid. So what we have learned in this video, we have learned about what are the acidic substances, what are the two type of acids on the basis from where they are formed, how the acid is corrosive or not depending upon strong or weak acid, and what amount of acid and water is containing in the acid, dilute and concentrated acid. Thank you.